Assalamualaikum and very good morning. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Dr. Hazman bin Abdul Malik from College Kemahiran Tinggi Mara Balik Pulau. I would like to introduce my team member, Muhammad Amirul Aziz, Muhammad Haikal, Ras Adiba, Nur Sania and Muhammad Azlim. Today we will present our project to IVDIC 2022 and our topic project is development on novel energy harvesting method using wind generator inside heat ventilation air conditioning system HVAC. I would like to introduce our collaboration partner. The first one from UiTM Permatang Pau, Professor Madya Dr. IR Erni Hamiza binti Hamzah. The second one from University Kuala Lumpur Maitang, TS Zul Waqar bin Tauhid. The third one is from Asia Tech Sdn Bhd, Muhammad Najmuddin bin Muhammad Yusof. The fourth is from SME Aerospace, Muhammad Iqbal bin Azrinuddin. From Celestica, Muhammad Siraj Munir bin Muhammad Tarmizi. And from Vitrox Technology, Nurul Darwishah binti Badrul Hisham. Renewable energy is a conversion process from natural phenomenon or engineering process into electrical energy. In Malaysia, there are 4 types of renewable energy such as sun, biomass, biogas and hydro. Malaysia has low output from wind energy resources compared to other types. This is because the minimum requirement from wind turbine is of 5 milliseconds, but average of wind energy in Malaysia are in average 3 meter per second. Wind turbine fail to implement Malaysia because of geographical factor, wind air pressure and consistency of the air are difficult to find. There is one of potential of air pressure which come from HVAC, which is related to the ducting system. The main function of HVAC is to distribute the air to the buildings, so that in this project we will use air pressure in ducting system to supply to the wind turbine. In this innovation idea, we will combine wind turbine and HVAC to produce electrical energy.
Korang buat apa ni?
Saya buat apa-apa pun. Cuma kita orang tengah sembang-sembang pasal angin macam ni lah. Boleh kita jana wind turbine?
Mana boleh, sebab angin kat Malaysia ni 3 meter per second. Kalau tak gunakan wind turbine tu, sekurang-kurangnya kena 5 meter per second.
Malaysia pun tak ada angin yang konsisten. Kedudukan geografi Malaysia pun tak sama macam negara lain.
Macam Netherlands, India. Yang tu boleh lah kalau nak guna wind turbine.
Oh, betul juga tu. Tapi kat sini ada je angin yang kuat. Korang tahu tak HVAC tu apa?
Tak tahu.
Alah, HVAC ni kan yang saluran udara dekat bangunan-bangunan yang tertutup.
Jadi macam mana nak guna?
Kita gunalah angin tu untuk jana tenaga.
Cuba kau cerita kat aku macam mana nak guna.
Simple je. Macam ni. Kita letaklah sistem turbine tu dekat dalam HVAC. Semakin panjang HVAC tu, semakin banyak tenaga yang kita boleh jana.
Lepas tu macam mana kita nak tahu berapa banyak tenaga yang kita kena guna?
Kita guna IoT lah. Kita boleh detect, guna IoT boleh monitor tengok lagi mudah. Kita kan kita boleh belajar kan. Belajar mana kelas dia.
Oh, macam tu.
Tu kan sir.
Jomlah masuk kelas.
Jom.
As conclusion, wind energy flow from any static equipment such as static system can be used as alternative energy. Wind turbine can achieve the performance and have high potential to implement as renewable energy. In this project, we also implement automatic adjuster to improve the performance of air pressure to get optimum power in the ducting system. Thank you very much.